Oh man, we got that thing in today. Oh, wait. If this works like it's supposed to work, we don't need port injection no more. If this works like it's supposed to work, no more port injection. We not doing it. And we starting on the next build. I'm finna open it up. So we got the arc in, and the reason I really wanted to record this unboxing is because I think this is revolutionary when it comes to the power we can push with the n54, but with the stock fueling system. Because with this, you can really power whatever pump you actually have in your car. Because the stock EKP, I don't think it really powers too much of shit. Oh, we got stickers. Okay, good. I was recording. We got that one hard. Gaps by the foot. Oh, we got a little photo. That's hard. What a hood is it? Because I want to get sponsored by Arc Time or by these folks. Arc Terminator. Don't sponsor, because I'm trying not to see this code no more. Go and sponsor, brother, real quick. So I got the HW05 and below E chassis with the 40 millimeter genuine Natu Ultra quad fan. And mine was, I did overnight shipping, so mine was like $200 out the door. Because I needed to see. Because whole time I got a Walbro 535, and I'm getting the whole power of the whole. Okay, I'm just opening shit. This how it look. This how it come out the box. I'm not gonna code it. I'm gonna just plug it in and see what it do. Because I'm living like that. I'm living like Larry. Ooh, that's a beefy motherfucker. Excuse my language. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Ooh. Look at it. They don't show this too much. All the videos seen them, God, like, God, dog, you, see, they should have put this on the website. See, this is the type of stuff I buy just for visual aspects. Bump the upgrades it's finna do. This, what even is this? That's so cool. Like, I'll wrap a whole car this, and you trust to have it just on something I'm not finna see ever again? Trifling. It looked like they 3D printed it, or, I don't know. I need to get up on 3D printing, so if y'all trying to 3D print some wide bodies, hit me up, because I want to do it. Yeah, look good. I'm finna put it in now. It runs much better.